My daughter needs a new yellow tee for her gym class, and I am gonna sew one up today. She says that I take way too long to make anything for her, so let's see how fast I can do this. The time is now 2:27 p.m. Let's see how quickly I can get this done. By the way, the time is now 2:31. The pattern is now fully cut out. Let's start assembling. I'm gonna start by taking my back and matching it right sides together with my front. It is a little hard to keep track of what is the wrong side of the fabric and the right side of the fabric, so I'm just gonna double check that as I go. But I'm just gonna match up at the shoulder seams. And I'm gonna serge here, but you could totally use a sewing machine with a stretch stitch as well. By the way, the time is now 2:38. There's my shoulder seams. And now we're gonna attach the sleeves. Typically I would pin these, but I am in a hurry today, and even though I'm filming, I have gotta get this done quickly, so I'm just gonna eyeball it here and let her rip. Not too shabby. Now, while I'm on this side of the pattern, I'm just gonna go ahead and sew down from the end of the sleeve here, matching up at the arm size, and then all the way down, matching up the front and the back of the pattern. Got it. The time is now 2:45, and I'm ready to go with my second sleeve. The time is now 2:50, and I've got to turn it inside out. Give it a good shake out, and I have a tee almost sewn. I just have to put the neckband on and hem it. I've made my neckband into a loop. Now I'm going to mark my quarter points. Now I'm going to fold it in half, so it's one long narrow loop. And I'm gonna mark my quarter points. I have my quarter points marked on my neckline as well as on my neckband. Now I just have to match them up. The time is now 3:02. Okay, the time is now 3:15, and my daughter's classic tee is completely finished. I installed the neckband, I hemmed the sleeves, I hemmed the shirt, and I even installed a cute little tag. Now, my daughter and I are similar sizes, so I think I'm gonna try this on just to make sure it fits good. I haven't even looked in a mirror yet, so tell me, what do we think? Is this a nice, cute, classic spring tee that she can wear? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're wondering how to get this pattern, you can actually get it for free when you enroll in the Love Notions newsletter. You can find the link in the description box below. But the newsletter is a wealth of information for all things sewing, and we do lots of new pattern releases and lots of sewing help and inspiration that will get you going.